Hello, so today we will be talking about onions, or otherwise known as sibuyas, and we will be reading in this book, the Encyclopedia of Medicinal Plants of the Philippines. I actually got this book from Pitak, and it is written by Fabian M. Dairit and Armando M. Guidote. And today we will be talking about onions. So let's see what do they think about onions. So according in this book, okay, onions or sibuyas Tagalog, Allium ascalonicum, that's the scientific name. The ethnopharmacological properties of them. Yung bulb, it's used for cough, colds, asthma, TB. Pag nilalagnat, masakit ang ulo, nahihilo, masakit ang tiyan, nagtatae, pag wounds and goiter. Okay? And yung leaves, you can use them for colds, flu, paralysis, and even intestinal worms. So dun sa mga anak ninyo na laging naglalaro outside, if you wanna use this as a herbal remedy for intestinal worms, you can use it. So while the whole plant is used to treat coughs. Okay, so this is according to this book. If you're interested, just go to Pitak. I have all of their books. They're really wonderful to read, and I hope that will benefit you too. Bye!